Hey everybody, I'm at the Milwaukee Pipeline event and I'm here with Kim and we're looking at the M12 75-foot drain camera with PACKOUT compatibility. It's this guy right here or this one.
Yep.
Kim, would you run us through the features?
More than happy to. So I'm excited to introduce our first all-in-one drain inspection solution. As he mentioned, it's the M12 75-foot drain camera with PACKOUT compatibility. It's capable of running and inspecting through 1.5 to 4 inch lines.
Wow.
And it's really tailored to meet the diagnostic needs of MRO users and facility maintenance professionals. So with 75 feet of that flexible camera cable, you can easily run it through long lines with ease.
That's funny.
And the PACKOUT compatibility allows you to transport this alongside your other tools in an impact-resistant housing for mess containment.
Can you show us how it's packaged? Can we go through that?
Yeah, of course.
Maybe use this guy?
Yeah, so we can open this up. Same mechanism as you see on all of our PACKOUT system. So your reel and camera is stored here.
And it comes through here. Right?
Yep.
So you feed it through here.
Exactly.
All right.
And then your battery would be housed over here, laid down so you can accommodate up to a 6 amp hour battery.
With the bigger head on it.
Yep.
Yep.
And that allows you to get all day runtime on this bad boy.
Okay. That just snaps closed for...
Yep.
Is there rubber gaskets on that or something? Or they kind of make it...
Yeah, so we do have some that allows it to help.
And that clicks in. And then this is the head. The head comes up. It rotates.
Yeah, so this is our 7-inch fully compatible 7-inch HD touchscreen display. So it does allow you to zoom in. You could capture high definition video, pan around to points of interest. And then if you want to share any findings, videos you're capturing, you can share it out through USB export or SD card.
Is there a card in there? You have to put the card in?
You do have to put the card in. Yep.
And then I'm imagining you could snap a photo of what you see or take a video, right?
Yep, exactly.
Can you rotate the image around if you're trying to figure out what it is?
Yeah.
Can I like turn it?
Yep. And you can do it in a couple different ways. If you wanted to use more of like a control function, you can operate it this way. You can also increase your light.
Which you might need.
Yep.
Because we have a clear light
And
there.
if you really want to customize your handling experience, you can have it be something left, right, depending on your dominant hand. Right now we have it on the dynamic control. So any side you touch, it's going to flip your controls to that side.
Now, Kim, what if you're running a 4-inch pipe and the thing's flopping all over the place?
Yeah, so we do offer skids that you can actually put around the camera head to enable it to be stabilized through those larger diameter pipes.
Kind of keeps it in line a little bit or centered. And you said it was 75 feet long, so residential perfect.
Yeah.
I'm going to guess this is like a nice, not entry level, but almost like a inspectional for that a lot of folks can afford versus buying, how long are those guys? They're usually like really long, right?
Yeah, so usually up to like 300 plus feet, depending on the model you buy. But yeah, this one really is, it's priced accordingly for that entry level, more facility maintenance user.
I mean, what's the price and availability on this?
$1,500 retail, and it's going to be launching Q1 of next year.
Q1 next year?
Yep.
And something like that would be $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, probably?
Yeah, some of them up to $10,000.
Up to $10,000.
Yep.
And way lighter, and PACKOUT compatible. That's really cool.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for walking us through it. I really appreciate it. Thanks for having us. Thank you, everybody.